Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah, and I want to share my story with you. It's a story about love, patience, and finding happiness where you least expect it. I married recently, and let me tell you, it was not the fairy tale I dreamed of. My parents always argued, and they were very strict with me. Because of this, I thought marrying would make everything better. I married a man named David. He was kind and not a bad person, but I didn't love him. I hoped that once I was married, my life would change. But things did not go as I planned. My mother-in-law and sister-in-law were very mean to me. They would say hurtful things and make my life difficult. They often told me that I cooked badly or that I did not clean well enough. I felt sad every day. Living with my in-laws was hard. They would criticize everything I did. If I cooked dinner, they would say it was not good enough. If I cleaned the house, they would find something wrong. Sometimes, they would even ignore me at the table. I felt like I was walking on eggshells all the time. David was busy with work, and he didn't see how unhappy I was. I wanted to cry, but I tried to stay strong. One day, I sat down and thought about my life. I realized that I didn't want to live like this anymore. I wanted a happy home. I knew I had to be brave and make a change. After thinking a lot, I decided to talk to David. "I want us to have our own home," I said. He looked surprised, but listened to me. "I think we will be happier if we live separately from your family," I explained. David thought about it and agreed. We found a small apartment together. It was cozy and felt like our own little world. When we moved in, I felt a weight lift off my shoulders. As we settled into our new home, things started to change for the better. David worked hard, and I tried to make our home warm and welcoming. Slowly, I began to love him more. My heart felt lighter without the pressure from my in-laws. After some time, we welcomed our first child, a beautiful baby girl named Lily. She brought so much joy into our lives. David was an amazing father, and I loved watching him with our daughter. A few years later, we had another child, a little boy named Max. Our family felt complete. I learned how to be easygoing with my children. Instead of worrying about being perfect, I focused on having fun and making memories. We would play games, go for walks, and laugh together. My children taught me how to find joy in small things. Life was no longer sad, it was beautiful. As the years went by, I realized that my past struggles made me stronger. I learned patience and wisdom through my experiences. David and I built a life filled with love and laughter. I often think about my in-laws and how they treated me. They were harsh at times, but now their words do not hurt me anymore. I have created my own happiness with David and our children. We even invited David's family over sometimes. They were surprised at how happy we were in our little home. I learned to be kind and forgiving, even when it was hard. Today, I look back at my journey with a smile. My life is beautiful because of the choices I made. I learned that love can grow over time and happiness comes from within. I'm grateful for every moment with my family. We have fun together, support each other, and create wonderful memories. Thank you for listening to my story. Your encouragement means so much to me. If you're enjoying my story, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and bye.